I'm your personal injury lawyer, Christopher DeBerry, and the law offices of Christopher DeBerry. And welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about damages. Now, if you like what you hear today, subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to post any comments, please do so below. Or if you'd like to discuss any matter with me personally, send me an email. Now, let's talk about damages. Now, as your personal injury lawyer, it is my job to get you paid for your damages. So what are damages? What can you seek reimbursement for in the state of Florida? Well, there are three kinds of damages. The first kind of damage that you can seek in the state of Florida for injuries is economic damage. Now, why do they call it economic damage? The reason they call it that is because an economist can put an actual dollar value, can actually tell you how much money you would need to be awarded now so that you have enough money to compensate you for the present and for the future. Examples of economic damages are past medical bills related to the accident, future medical bills projected, which is determined by your treating doctors and by medical experts, past lost wages, meaning money that you've lost because of time you couldn't work because of injuries due to the accident, and future loss of earning capacity. So in other words, how your injuries in the present are going to affect your ability to earn income in the future. Now, you're allowed to pursue economic damages under any circumstance when you've been injured due to another person's carelessness or negligence. Now, the second kind of damage you can pursue if you've been injured in the state of Florida are non-economic damages. Non-economic damages are different from economic damages. With economic damages, we can determine an exact dollar value that a person is going to need to be made whole. With non-economic damages, their value only exists if a jury says it does, or if an insurance adjuster is willing to take them seriously. Examples of non-economic damages are things like pain and suffering, what you've had to endure, the physical anguish, mental anguish, loss of enjoyment of life or life's activities, those things that you used to be able to do and maybe can't do anymore. Those things that you can still do, but cause you difficulty or pain to do them. Time lost with your family. Inability to take care of a loved one. Things like that are non-economic damages. Now, there's a very important difference between non-economic damages and economic damages in the state of Florida. You can always pursue economic damages when somebody's injured you, but you can't always pursue non-economic damages. They only apply in certain circumstances. So if you were to experience mental anguish, loss of enjoyment of life or life's activities, pain and suffering, you can only pursue those damages legally if you can demonstrate that you have suffered a permanent injury within, and here are the buzzwords, a reasonable degree of medical probability. Now, all that means is a physician has to determine that you've suffered a permanent injury as a result of the accident. Now, the third kind of damage that you can pursue in the state of Florida is one that you don't see happen very often. Those damages are called punitive damages. And punitive damages only apply if the person who injures you is acting in a way that is extremely negligent or even criminal. Situations where a judge may find it appropriate to award an injured party punitive damages may be one where the other driver's actions are so reckless and show such disregard for the safety of other people that an award of non-economic damages or economic damages just isn't enough. Situations where this might be appropriate would be if an at-fault driver is driving under the influence of alcohol or a controlled substance, or maybe driving recklessly on the highway, racing another vehicle. Those are a couple of situations. Folks, thanks for listening to my channel. And remember, if you liked what you heard here, please subscribe to my channel, or leave comments in the comment box, or email me, and we can discuss anything we talked about today, or if you have a case or situation that you'd like to discuss with me, send me an email or call me. And remember, at the law offices of Christopher DeBerry and CDB Injury Law, it's personal to me because it's personal to you.